Hi, this is Brian Gallagher from testzilla.ai, doing a demo of how to create an inbound call agent with Retell AI. It's pretty simple. We've already set up our billing account just to make it simpler for the purposes of the demo. First thing we need to do is create an agent. We're going to do a single prompt agent, and we're going to start with a blank one. It's the simplest way of setting something up. We're going to use GPT-4 as the model. We use Myra as the voice and English as the speaker. And we'll call this Initech Receptionist. And we'll use just a simple prompt. And we'll have a welcome message that says the AI begins with the message. And we'll just use a defined message. And the message will be right. We're going to set up a simple function to be able to end a call. And that is all we need to do. So we'll save this and we'll do a test call.
Corporate accounts, Nina speaking. Just a moment. How may I help you?
What are your office hours?
Our office hours are Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Normally we are closed on weekends, but this weekend we will be open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on both Saturday and Sunday.
Great. And when are the TPS reports being distributed?
The TPS reports are distributed on Monday mornings. Just a heads up, we have a new cover sheet on the TPS reports.
All right, great, thanks. And what's going to be in the TPS reports?
I don't have that information on hand, but I can take your name and number and have a manager call you back with the details. Would that work for you?
That'd be great.
Perfect. Could you please provide me with your name and phone number?
Sure. Bob Slidell, 444-555-6666.
Thank you, Bob Slidell. I'll pass your information along, and a manager will get back to you with the details about the TPS reports. Have a great day.
All right, there you go. So that tests the functionality of it. We're going to go back to the menu, and we're going to set up a phone number so we can attach that to a phone line. We're just going to buy a new number, and we'll use the 650 area code. It'll be $2 a month, so we'll just save that. It'll take a second to find a number for us. All right, so here's a number to assign. All we have to do is assign our inbound agent, and that's it. So let's try making a call here. Hey Siri, call 650-855-2761.
Corporate accounts, Nina speaking. Just a moment. How may I help you?
When are the TPS reports coming out?
The TPS reports are distributed Monday morning. Just a heads up, there's a new cover sheet on them.
All right, great, thanks. That's all I need. Bye.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Goodbye.
And that's all there is to it. Have fun creating your agents, and we'll go into more detail on how to make these secure for like a production environment in subsequent videos.